Changes in the workplace have hit career seekers hard. Businesses must continually pursue sensible means to lower expenses and remain competitive. Industry is on notice that future hiring standards must be strict and uncompromising by necessity. New business models are emerging that promise leaner, more adaptable, and competitive organizations. This means adaptable employees who can learn are now the standard. For many companies, their very survival is at stake.
At Ecumen, we see aging as changing, and we see our business as changing. And so we're very motivated, spending a lot of time and a lot of interest in looking at how we can change the aging process for the better. A big piece of that is making sure we're hiring the right people to change with us, to help us find the future of aging that meets our expectations and our customers' expectations. So we're open to all sorts of new ideas.
By definition, companies make a considerable investment in every employee they bring on board, regardless of the job description. Employers are forced to carefully consider their options in the hiring process. So how do career seekers gain an edge in a tight job market crowded with many qualified applicants? Minnesota workforce development experts are paying particular attention to a job qualification standard that anyone seeking employment can acquire, called the National Career Readiness Certificate. The NCRC is awarded after measuring the skills of job seekers in 3 areas of work-related abilities: applied mathematics, locating information, and reading for information. Although designed and administered by ACT, the organization famous for their highly regarded college entrance exams, the NCRC exam process is unlike any other traditional knowledge or skill assessment test. The NCRC testing process questions job seekers in a variety of real-world, work-specific problem-solving areas. For example, the Reading for Information test measures common skills people must use in order to read and use written text on the job. Typical applications include understanding memos, letters, directions, signs, bulletins, policies, and regulations. The Locating Information assessment challenges your abilities to interpret and use everyday workplace graphics such as charts, graphs, tables, flowcharts, floor plans, and instrument gauges.
The NCRC measures skills of applicants and employees in 3 needed areas as identified by ACT when they profiled those jobs. Those are reading for information, applied math, and locating information. Employers need to maximize the skills of all employees that they hire. Job seekers need to be challenged and want a job that maximizes their skills. And so the NCRC provides the vehicle and the common language to secure the match.
Making the best hiring decisions requires a variety of knowledge and information about our applicants. It's not maybe just their degree or where they've worked. It's really looking at that person. Do they have extra credentialing, such as the NCRC? It also looks at, do they have the ability for critical thinking skills to make decisions, to function at a higher level than completing tasks. And that's important for all levels of the professional caregivers we hire in long-term care.
A rating is assigned to each of the 3 NCRC testing areas, with an overall certification level based upon the lowest score of the 3. Certificate ratings may be bronze, silver, gold, or platinum. You may study and retest to improve your ratings. The National Career Readiness Certificate is a valuable tool you can leverage to assure employers that you are not only the right fit for the short term, but also a promising prospect for growth potential over the long term. The NCRC is a national, totally portable skills certification. It's relevant to virtually all types of occupations within the workplace. Accreditation assists employers in narrowing their search for potential new hires. The NCRC helps you stand out in a field crowded with candidates. Use the National Career Readiness Certificate to set yourself apart and gain an advantage in your search for the win-win position you seek. Get more information now from any of these sources and locate a National Career Readiness Certificate testing site near you. Your future is waiting for you. It begins with the next step.